Brand new Plymouth Arrow, low-priced and economical, and also small, fun, and functional. With features like the popular hatchback style, popular because of its wide-open feeling. A generous trunk for loading with all kinds of fun things. Plymouth dealers have never offered anything like it before. It's low-priced, as only a subcompact can be. The base model is the Arrow 160. For more style, more luxury, there's an Arrow GS. And the Arrow with everything going for it, the Arrow GT. Just 13 feet, 11 3/10 inches overall, on a very maneuverable and quick 92.1-inch wheelbase. Weight, 2,156 pounds. A ton of fun. But it's inside where people develop a real affection for Arrow. For starters, both the seats recline. That's standard on every model. And when you order a copper exterior on the GT, you get these special copper houndstooth body cloth inserts for the seats. The GS features distinctive door trim and handsome durable Richmond vinyl in black, white, or blue with contrasting accents. The 160 model sports big, wide buckets and durable vinyl over deep foam padding. Spring-loaded seat back latches make it easy to get into the rear compartment, where you have a choice: a rear seat for people or big carpeted trunk. There's a storage compartment for hiding things from outside eyes, and dozens of features with the same thoughtfulness. Like this unique command console on the GT. It houses an adjustable reading light, a door ajar light, a low windshield washer fluid light, and a dome light. The handsome instrument panel features a speedometer, a tachometer, fuel and water temperature gauges, and a lighted ashtray. And the center console houses ampere and oil pressure gauges, plus a handy coin holder. Look here, the wiper switch and window washer control, as well as the headlight dimmer, are mounted on the turn signal, just for convenience. And because we know more than one person will be driving the car, we made the steering column adjustable on every model. Arrow can be powered by the standard 1600cc engine, or the remarkable new 2000cc silent shaft engine, optional on GS and GT models. We believe it's the quietest, smoothest four-cylinder ever built. For smooth, quiet power, the silent shaft has a counterbalancing shaft down here, and one up here. They rotate in opposite directions and at twice the crankshaft speed. The results are spectacular. Instead of a growl, a kitten's purr. Here's how a conventional four-cylinder engine vibrates. Now compare to the 2000. Both engines at the same speed. See the difference? Imagine the difference in sound. The 5-speed transmission standard on the GT with a 1600 engine, or optional on GT and GS with a silent shaft, has an overdrive gear that adds extra gas mileage in highway driving. Economical. The Torque Flight automatic transmission is available on all models. Very convenient. One of the features that makes Arrow so much fun to drive is its handling. Stable and sure. Goes where you point it, and very smoothly with variable ratio steering. Power front disc brakes are standard, and so's the tinted glass. Best of all, the new Arrow is backed and protected by the famous clincher warranty. Plymouth Arrow. What more can a little car give?